everyone, it's Liz with Liz at Tim's Budgets, and we are going to do a cash condensing. I did get some $100 bills. I'm working with $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $600. Let's go ahead and start in my Save Ahead binder. This one won't have anything to condense. Alright, so my Save Ahead binder and car insurance. We have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, $5, $95, and $100. So with car insurance, there's currently $200 in here. Amazon Prime can be skipped. What is Audible got in it? It's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. It's $100. 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's go ahead, switch that out for 20. That's all I can do. So 121 and 22. There isn't anything else to stuff in that one. Let's go to car binder. Okay, so is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Right, 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. Right, so that leaves 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so should be 133. There's 110, 25, 30, 1, 2, and 3. And that is the only thing in there that would need to be changed out. Okay, so nothing in here to switch out. There's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 55. It's 20, 30, 45, 50. 20. So So 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, and 216 in there. Moving costs, 3-month bills. Okay. It's 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. There's a 10 and 2 5s for a 20. It's 5, 10, 15, 20. Like there was something else that I needed to switch out. Oh, maybe it is in my savings challenges binder. Let's take a look in there. Not in that one. It's 20, 40, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100. That's where it was. Right. So now that we've gotten everything we can condense, let's count it up and make sure that we have $600. There's 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 268, 280, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 370, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 500, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 50, so 550. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm off somewhere. Let me try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, so 45. 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 80, 85, 95, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 95, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600. All right, we are balancing correctly. So that is going to be the cash condensing. Well, thanks for being here with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.